Hey everyone, welcome. Not an intro for this video, no, not this time. What you see in the background is something I dealt with this morning. I got a couple of emails from YouTube and apparently we got striked. Yeah, that's how they call it, I believe. It basically means we had a takedown on 4 videos, so not only one but 4 videos, and you can see it in the background. Installing XPEnology 6 on VirtualBox, a tutorial video we did a long time ago. Okay, so that's a bit surprising. XPEnology on mini PCs, did that in the apartment, also an older video. ESXi on Gen 8 XPEnology VM and XPEnology DSM 6.2 on HP Gen 8 microserver. Bare metal. Yeah, one of them is recent, quite recent, from last year, somewhere last year, I believe. And yeah, they all have one thing in common, and that is XPEnology. So yeah, someone isn't quite happy that we do videos about XPEnology, I assume. As you can see, I've objected to these strikes. These claims are, yeah, of course the videos got striked, but it's due to a CTM claim, and that someone can file. And if we have a look at that, yeah, circumvention of technological measures. Yeah, when we say a circumvention of technological measures, we're referring to tools that allow users to evade a software's licensing protocol. This can mean that serial numbers, keygens, passwords, and other methods to hack software or games. Okay, so we have, they also explain the difference between CTM and copyright. Okay, let's continue. CTM is a tool that will give users the means to access software. Copyright is concerned with the depiction of the software or means to acquire it. If the software's interface is the video or there is a download link to the software in the video description, you may wish to file a copyright takedown notice. Yeah, maybe you've seen that video. Last year I did a video about, also an announcement about XPEnology videos, and that it was time for something else. Some people mentioned in the comment section that Synology got to us and it was all bad. That wasn't the case. I clearly wanted to do something else as well. Not only XPEnology stuff and DSM, but some other NAS solutions as well. I also updated the video descriptions on some videos. I put a disclaimer in between it, removed links from the videos with keygens and all that kind of stuff. Of course, you can find that stuff on the internet. So yeah, if people want to do this, they will find it with or without or videos. But apparently that's not enough. And I guess some people don't like the videos I do about XPEnology. And this XPEnology thing started in 2017, early 2017. I was tinkering around with XPEnology and I couldn't get it to work at some configuration, and I've searched YouTube for some videos. I couldn't find videos about it, so I thought, well, let's do a video of our own. Yeah, why not? So I created my first tech tutorial video, basically my first video, I call it like that. It was on Workstation 12, and yeah, humble beginnings, let's call it that. And so people ask me, okay, can you do a video about bare metal setup? Well, yeah, why not? So I did the same video, but then on a bare metal setup. And yeah, I really like doing videos like that. So that's basically how I ended up doing more videos, mostly at the beginning about XPEnology. Then we did some other videos as well. We tried some unboxing stuff and yeah, all that kind of stuff. We tried different things, but XPEnology was always there. Most of the times a couple of weeks would go by and there was another XPEnology video. But they were not all tutorial videos. I also did a couple of other videos about running services on DSM. For example, a V2B server, Minecraft server on your Synology NAS. That was quite fun. Improving the security of OpenVPN on your Synology NAS, that was one of them, and renewing certificates, another video about OpenVPN. And of course, Virtual Machine Manager did a video about that as well. And those videos are not taken down. So I can only imagine the CTM claims being on those videos where I show how to install and configure DSM on non-Synology hardware. I always pointed out that if you like DSM, consider buying a real Synology NAS, and the videos were for testing purposes. That doesn't change the fact that I show other people how to run DSM on their own hardware. And for that, yeah, XPEnology loader is used. Yeah, that's the loader we use for that. So the thing is, we also do other videos. Yeah, not only XPEnology stuff. And I really like making videos about, for example, I'm at the moment working on the video for tomorrow or Saturday about the BenQ TK800M projector that I tested in February before this all came along. I like doing videos about that. I like doing videos about hardware. The HP server from a friend of mine with the 2 CPUs, the 128 gigabytes of RAM. I like doing videos like that. My own server, upgrading that, and it's running Unraid. So other operating systems as well. So at this point, we can do two things. We can go along with this and let the strike be for what it is. And hopefully the other videos will remain on YouTube, the second option. And that's basically, I've said every video that has some installation / configuration information in it about installing XPEnology. I've set that to private. Yeah, and probably it will stay like that. I won't set them to public again. And there are still some videos left. For example, the announcement video, okay. That one is from February last year. But the VMM, Virtual Machine Manager, HA cluster is private as well. The Feed the Beast Infinity server, fun to do, how I run XPEnology. But there are some videos about some real Synology products as well, like the DS218 Plus, the NAS where I tested VMM as well. Yeah, that one will still be online. The one with running 2 websites on it will still be there. We did a video about Nextcloud that will stay online as well. And last but not least, the Synology Drive video, the cloud solution from Synology. That video will stay online as well. Now, I will still do videos about Synology equipment. If I find it interesting, I will still do a video about it. But I will not do videos about XPEnology again. And what I think about it doesn't really matter. No, it doesn't. Now, it would be really cool if Synology decided to open up DSM to the public. Let's say as a package you can buy. But you don't want to buy a Synology NAS from them. You only want to buy their software. Yeah, and their DSM manager with all the packages, etc. Yeah, I think that would be a goldmine. To be honest, it's really decent software. Let's be honest. It works really great. It's very easy to use. Yeah, everyone can work with it. Yeah, that's basically that. This is pretty much all I have to say about this topic. I just wanted to inform you guys on what happened. And if you are missing some videos on our channel, well, this is the reason why. Yeah, now I will get back to my TK800M video. Make the last changes, and that one will be up tomorrow or Saturday, somewhere this weekend. So yeah, with that being said, if you have any comments, suggestions, maybe some advice regarding this topic or some other things, you can leave them down in the comment section. Thank you all for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!